most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Dan Tomaso.
Welcome in on a very warm morning outside. Temperatures low to mid 60s. We did have some showers and storms roll through. One of those areas that got a little bit of rainfall, at least a little more than some others. Gettysburg and parts of Adams County, York counties, even Lancaster County had some leftover storm complexes blow through last evening and early last night. Now things are quieter, and I don't expect much activity here locally today. West of us and north of us, certainly there will be chances for storms. And even yesterday, that was where the higher potential was too. It's just by the time we got to the very late hours of the evening and early last night, there was just enough activity that it did survive over the mountains. We will take any rainfall at this point because it is a dry overall weather pattern. And this is the thing. Temperatures are in the 60s, but dew points have been held in check into the low 50s. So not much of an issue there when it comes to humidity. So humidity not a factor in today's forecast, but record high temperatures. If we do hit 89 or even 90 degrees, the record today is 87. And we can see here with the climb through the hourly forecast this afternoon, a breeze out of the west and southwest boosting things. I think this record is in jeopardy today. 1941 was when it was set. So again, record high of 87. We're going for 89. If we hit 90, we've double-checked our records on this. This would be the earliest occurrence of 90 degrees in Harrisburg weather history. Yesterday's high was 84, at least officially in Harrisburg, but again, I think some places were about 2 to 3 degrees warmer based on some of the readings I was seeing yesterday afternoon. So big area of high pressure. This is a summertime weather pattern. Big high to the south and southeast of us. Meanwhile, there have been areas of showers and thunderstorms rounding the northern edge of this area of high pressure. And that's why today, north and west, there's a better chance of storm activity. That's where most of this stalled front and overall what we call convection has occurred. So when we look at PrecisionCast, other than passing clouds here this morning and we get more sun as the morning goes on, it's dry, it's quiet. Even yesterday, there was at least the pop-up shower or storm threat. Today, that doesn't exist. Now, some leftovers may come through tonight, but it's dry, at least in this model run. And then tomorrow, we're right back into things. So if we don't hit 90 degrees today, tomorrow's yet another chance. Thursday night into Friday, there is a front coming through, and there will be some showers and storms. But even that, even though it's a front, there's not much activity. Friday is cooler, relatively speaking. Highs will be in the low 80s rather than upper 80s to near 90 degrees. So we look at the temperature pattern today. Pretty simple math. How fast do things ramp up? 90 degrees. Again, spit out in this forecast model. A lot of red showing up. Again, at least upper 80s for most areas. And then tonight dropping back around 70 degrees in some spots, mid 60s for others heading into our Thursday morning. And there it is. One more day of highs near 90. But that cooler weather, slightly cooler weather, is behind that front for Thursday night and early Friday morning. So again, to recap here, the record 87 degrees for today, but 89 for tomorrow. So we could hit the record today, possibly tie it or break it tomorrow if we hit 90 degrees under all this sunshine. Now, there will be a bit of a breeze. And couple that with the humidity again, or lack of humidity, it's going to be relatively comfortable to see temperatures near 90 for this time of the year. Same thing goes heading into Thursday, 5 to 15 miles per hour in terms of the breeze. Here's your extended forecast. The highest opportunity or best chance for rain will be into Sunday morning now. So the timing of the rain has moved up. So the front moving through a little bit faster. Here's Sunday morning. And yes, reminder, it's still spring. There's some snow showers there over parts of southern Canada. That's the cooler air that begins to move in for next week. Now, I wouldn't panic. We're not talking about a big overall change, just back to where we should be for this time of the year. So highs today near 90 degrees. Tonight falling back to near 70 in spots, 60s for others. And looking ahead, here it is, the 7-day forecast. Mainly dry in the next 2 days. Some showers overnight into Friday, turning things cooler for Friday, 81. 85 though for Saturday, and then Sunday 62 and falling into the 50s and lower 60s for early next week. I know it seems much colder than it is, but that's actually what April should be like early next week. And I've gotten the question already yesterday, what happens with another warm-up? Not as warm by the end of next week, like 70s instead of upper 80s.
All right, but will we hit 90 today?
I think it's very, very possible, especially because it's dry. When there's no humidity, temperatures go up really quick.
I know you'll be watching, Dan.
Oh, I'll be watching.
All right, stay with us. We'll be right back.